Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. I'm here to bring you a drama-free video. Today on my channel, I want to try a makeup trend that I've been seeing going around lately that involves the sky. And I believe this makeup trend started by Enzi Rengel. I probably butchered that. Tomorrow is actually a very, very special day to me because Ofra Cosmetics and I teamed up for round 3. When I saw Enzi's makeup trend look with the clouds, the starry night, the stars aligned for me because my new collaboration collection with Ofra Cosmetics is inspired by space. In the Electro Glaze collection, we're coming out with 2 brand new highlighters. And not to toot my own horn, but I am really, really proud and happy with these, and here they are. And when you see them like this, you're like, you came out with 2 white highlighters? No, they are a duochrome. It's like pure magic in front of your eyes. So the first color is Space Baby, and Space Baby has a white pearlescent, very beaming base, and then the duochrome is a blue purple. So depending on the light, depending on the angle, it will either look like a purple glow or a blue glow or a pearlescent white beaming glow. It's utter magic and it's so good. The second color in the Electro Glaze collection is Cloud 9. I've always wanted a pinky peachy duochrome highlight that worked on every skin tone. This is a pearl white pearlescent beaming base, but then depending on the light and depending on the angle, it will have either a peach or pink shift. And let me tell you, when you combine these 2 together, which I'll be doing in this video today, things are nuts. So when I saw Enzi's look, inspired by the starry night, and having my Electro Glaze collection with Cloud 9 and Space Baby, I was just like, that's it. That's it. That's how I'm gonna introduce it to the world on my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a recreation / inspiration look inspired by the starry night look, playing with my Electro Glaze collection, which launches tomorrow on August 21st at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My Electro Glaze collection will launch on ofracosmetics.com. It's so surreal. Every time we do this, it's so surreal, and just thank you for giving me these opportunities and for having my back and supporting me. And tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it's on, baby. So without any further ado, I think it's time to dip into a lot of makeup. I am so in the mood to play and get creative, so let's go. All right, so the first thing I'm doing, of course, is primer. What else is new? I'm starting off with these primers right here. These are some of my favorites. Of course, the Silk Canvas by Tatcha. I know people think I'm getting paid to always constantly talk about this, but no, Tatcha, hi. And I also have the J1 Jelly Pack. This is an old favorite of mine, and I haven't tried these together. This is for longevity and for making products stick to the skin, and this is magic. Oh my God, I haven't used the J1 Jelly Pack in a little minute. Putting it on my skin again and feeling that stickiness, I'm like, oh, I cannot wait for my foundation to never come off my face again. For foundation, I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter Foundation and a little bit of the Becca 24-Hour Ultimate Coverage because and using the Juno & Co. Velvet Sponge. If you haven't seen my previous video yet, I try this out. I take this for a test drive. And let me just tell you, ever since that test drive, I'm hooked. I cannot let go of this sponge. It's so good. It's only $6. Juno & Co. actually saw the video. They were like, hey girl, do you wanna offer your glow babies some money off? And I was like, money off? It's only $6. How are you ever gonna make money with this? They were like, no, anything for your glow babies. I was like, okay. So use code Nikki if you wanna save money at Juno & Co. Like, you cannot scroll down to the comments section and tell me this doesn't look airbrushed right now. You cannot. For concealer, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I am in the color Fair 04. Baking the under eye using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in 05. And now quickly gonna do my brows and one eye off camera to gather my thoughts and really try this look out, and then I'll be back to show you how to do it, hopefully. First things first, we're priming. Now I'm dipping into the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival palette in collaboration with Stacey Marie and taking that bright blue color called Sky. Picking that up on a Morphe M506 brush and using soft circular motions, I'm applying it straight into the crease. And I'm applying this all the way to the inner corner of the eye. So it's a very nice rounded effect. So see how I just kind of stamped the shape in with the blue? Now using that same brush, same color, right at the edge, I'm gonna use soft circular motions to kind of diffuse that line. Now I'm picking up a matte aqua shade on this Cosette S185 brush and using it flat against the skin, I'm sort of gonna scratch to buff out that edge even more. So kind of scratching the brush from left to right, right on that edge to buff it out. On the outer corner, I'm packing on the dark blue called Mood. And it's important to first tap it on to get maximum pigment and then start tapping at the edge to buff it out. Now taking this Inglot liner in 76, which is a white, and with this I'm gonna carve out the cloudy lid. And for this I'm using an Inglot 22T brush. And I'm using the round edge of the brush to kind of stamp it onto the lid to create that cloud shape. Now setting that with a matte white eyeshadow. And picking up that dark blue from earlier again to fade in the edge of the cloud at the outer corner of the eye. And now with the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Longwear Liquid Liner in Bump, I am creating dots and stars. All right, for the lash line, I'm taking this Melt eyeliner in Neptune and applying this to the waterline and dragging it onto the actual lower lash line. And then buffing that in using a brush. And on that same brush, picking up that dark blue from the outer corner and buffing that in. And now for that touch of magic, I'm taking Space Baby and applying this as a highlight on the inner corner and brow bone. And lastly, popping this Berry M holographic eyeshadow topper on the inner third of the lower lash line. And to finish, some Lily Lashes Miami lashes. So before I get to go in with Cloud9 and Space Baby and beam your eyes, first we gotta do some other face work. So first I'm bronzing, Jouer Bronzing Duo. Okay, so as my nose contour is making away, it's time for some blush. And I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This is MAC's Modern Mandarin. And then now, the moment you've all been waiting for this entire video, it is time to dip into Cloud9 and Space Baby. I'm gonna be using a mixture of them. Get ready to beam. I'm gonna pick up Cloud9 first to lay down that pinky base. Ooh. All the way up to that eye. Look at that. That is insane. And in real life, that pink shift is so intense and so pretty. And then right in the center of where we applied Cloud9, Space Baby. Boom. When you mix the two, you get a lilac purple shift It's literally insane. We have pink here and here, and then lilac, purple, blue here. It's a dream. And then now on a bigger highlighting brush, picking up Space Baby, and oh my God, this is one of my favorite ways of using Space Baby, picking up a little bit because this is very intense, and sort of glazing the center of the forehead. And that's gonna leave you with this duochrome purple extraterrestrial glow. We are highlighting today, honey. And that just, in my opinion, really took this look to the next level. I am so obsessed with these. Again, they launch tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you will get your hands on it and just, so exciting. For lips, I'm using the KKW No. 2 nude lipstick, which got destroyed, but I really like the color, so we're just gonna work with it. And over top, my favorite nude gloss by Maybelline called Tease. Last but not least, some setting spray, and we're done. And that, guys, is this Starry Night inspired makeup look featuring my brand new Electro Glaze collection in collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics. And I hope you enjoyed. I had so much fun sitting down and getting creative. I just want to thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And you might want to do that because I'm giving away 10 highlighters, 10 Cloud9s, 10 Space Babies, to you. And all you have to do is be subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below which one is your favorite, Cloud9 or Space Baby, and in what situation you're gonna be using them for to glow, to beam. Let me know. So do that, and then you're entered in today's giveaway. I wanna thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, tomorrow is the launch, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, ofracosmetics.com. I love you so much, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one.